Demystifying the phrase, in a fog. Hello learners! Today, we are diving deep into a popular English idiom, in a fog. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's unravel the mystery behind it. In a fog is an idiomatic expression that describes a state of confusion, uncertainty, or lack of clarity. Imagine being in a thick fog where you can't see clearly. This phrase captures that feeling, but in a mental or emotional sense. When someone says they're in a fog, they're expressing that they're unsure, confused, or finding it hard to concentrate. Example: after the sudden news, Maria was in a fog for the whole day. The phrase, in a fog, originates from the literal foggy weather conditions, especially in coastal regions where visibility becomes severely limited. Just as navigating an actual fog can be difficult and disorienting, the idiom conveys a similar sense of being lost or unsure in one's thoughts or emotions. Using in a fog in your conversations can add depth and flavor. Here are some examples to help you integrate it. 1. I've been in a fog ever since I heard the news. 2. After studying for hours, he was in a fog and needed a break. 3. The medication made her feel like she was in a fog. Remember, the phrase can be used in various situations, but it always alludes to a state of mental or emotional uncertainty or confusion. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone saying they're in a fog, you'll know exactly what they mean. English is full of such colorful idioms, and understanding them will not only enhance your vocabulary but also make your conversations more vibrant. We hope this video cleared up any confusion, and you're no longer in a fog about this phrase. Until next time, happy learning!